Hey, Sunny here. I have a question for you guys. So I was looking at my retention chart on my YouTube channel, and I was looking at that my videos usually have about an average about 2 minutes retention. The first 2 minutes, a lot of people watch the first 2 minutes of most of my videos. That's the average. So, as the video gets longer and longer, the audience drops. So my question to you guys is it worth for me to even do full songs, um, or do you just check into my channel usually just to learn how to play certain riffs? The reason why I ask that is that there's no point for me doing an entire song if there are not that many people watching it. And I want you guys to be honest. So if you just watched a few minutes to learn the intro riff or the main riff, and thinking that you'll come back later and watch the whole thing for a full song, but you don't really actually do it. Um, don't don't let me know that to do a full song. So if you honestly think that you really watch my videos just for certain riffs, please let me know in the comments below. I'm just kind of curious to get your feedback, um, so I know what to do. Um, when I do a song, the entire song, full song, including solos and everything, it takes a lot of time to record a video, and I have to get familiar with the song to the point where I can explain to you without confusing you. Um, so it's like again, so it's easier for me and quicker to do certain riffs of a song. That again, my focus is always songs that are fun to play, that you will enjoy playing when you learn it. So that's always been my focus. So let me know if you think that I should just do riffs instead of full songs. I'm leaning towards to do more riffs anyway. Uh, cut back on doing full songs because that takes so much time, and I really don't have time to do an entire song anyway. But I will consider doing it if there are enough people actually, learning the entire song. Otherwise, I'm gonna focus on more just part of the song, unless I'm learning the entire song myself, because I think it's a great song, and you should, if you learn a song, you should learn the entire song, so just part of it. Then I would teach you the entire song. But just want to know what you guys think, and thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.